Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new, thanks for being here. Make sure you subscribe. But today guys, we're definitely doing cleaning, refreshing, restocking, and this video, the intention is motivational. So make sure ladies, you're cleaning, okay? A Sunday well spent brings a week of content. Always remember that. Now the first thing that I'm about to do, well, I actually clean already. We're definitely gonna go in and start restocking. We went to the grocery stores and I got we went to Sam's, I got food, and I also got stuff, laundry stuff, toiletry and stuff like that. And now we're gonna refill these jars because they are empty. I had some pods, gain pods still, but you know, I'm a person, once I am running out, I'm going to the store. Look what happened, this spill. But anyway, we are gonna refill these jars and just organize the washroom area, make sure everything is up to date, fill up the jars, put away what is not needed right now, and just feel good. So that's exactly what we're doing here. Now I also enjoy doing this. I low-key like to restock these jars, especially when you have organizers. It just feels good knowing that they're, you know, you buy them with the intentions to put these stuff in, other than just having the bottles lingering on the countertops or in the space. It's more organized and it looks more luxe. So hence why we do it. This is absolutely my favorite thing to use when I'm changing the spread on the beds, spray my throw pillows, blankets, all the furnitures around the house except anything that's leather. I absolutely love this Febreze, and I do the extra strength. I also get the refill one because I already have a bottle, and I purposely bought the black one because I want it to look more uniform and just put together to go with the other stuff we have around the house. But y'all, if you don't spray your pillows, your bed, your throw pillows, blankets, you buy this thing and get the refill because it's only $8 and I have it for a month. I absolutely love it, so you guys should try it. And we're definitely going into laundry. I'm starting off doing laundry, which I do laundry twice per week, on a Wednesdays, on a Saturday, Friday or Sunday. I'll do that. I normally leave the baby clothes for last just because I don't know why I do it. You know why? Because it's more so of changing her clothes more often, hence why I do it. Now I figure it out. Sometimes she mess up her clothes, so you know, the more clothes she has after doing laundry, she might mess up her clothes, and then we have so many clothes to wash again. So now I understand why I always do that. We're getting into the fruits. We went to the grocery stores, so hence why this is a part of the restocking. Fruits is a must in my house. My kids love fruits, and I don't know if it's me alone, I like to see fruits in the house. It gives me a sense of like, okay, we got food, you know. Once the fruits start running out, I know, okay, then it's time to go get groceries. So I buy fruits every week, and more so apples, tangerine, grapes, and not all the time I'll get strawberry because I feel like it's wasting money because they do get spoiled. Unless they're super sweet, the kids will have them at the same time. and bananas. So there's fruits that we get, like the same fruits every single week. The kids do enjoy this, and we have to wash it. If you guys pay attention, the white thing you're seeing, it is not salt. I'm actually using baking soda to wash the fruits. Start using it and I absolutely love it. And I try to wash my fruits. I try to do it because you don't know what is on it, and if you look in the water, it's dirty. So you have to wash these fruits, okay? Don't be like Shane that's eating the grapes as soon as he goes into the store. Wash your fruits. It is important. It takes time, because when I'm doing this part of it, it's like when I go to grocery shopping and I'm coming back to do the unpacking. Oh my Lord. I always try to do it low-key when Janae's here so she could help me, because trust me, she do a good job wiping off those stuff and putting some of them away. The more I do is just wash the fruit. So I have to give thanks for her. I also have stuff to organize in the pantry, which is like the baby juice. We already pack away some stuff, so I'm just doing minimal right here. And I did try this new veggies. You guys just saw it in Sam's. I actually literally eat a pack last night and it is so good. This is my new thing. I'm gonna start incorporate more veggies in my food, less carbs. I need to stop. I don't know what is it with us or me. I love rice, I love it. So since I started to eat this veggie, I'm like, oh, I actually love it. And just to let you guys know, I did buy it already and I've never used it. A whole pack. And now I'm happy that I, actually try it now and I like it. So this is something that I'll be eating very often. Is it me alone? I hate to clean my fridge. I hate it. Funny thing is, I have my cleaning lady who comes. I hate to clean my fridge and my stove, but she doesn't go in my fridge and I clean my stove. Now, I think one of the reasons for that is I don't normally have a messy stove, and she just don't normally open my fridge unless I tell her to clean it, and I've never told her. But I'm just wiping out my fridge today, giving it very simple wipe out, sanitize everything, because the small wipe out, trust me, it looked like it is officially clean. So I did the the freezer part at the bottom because we had fish and everything, and I had to wipe that out and use some vinegar to re-add the fish and everything there. We restock on vegetables, fruits, as I said. And when I do a big restock, I like to wipe my fridge out every single week once I get fruits and veggies. It's just like, and throw away stuff, because I did throw away some stuff, you know. So I like to do that. When I open the fridge again, it's gonna look so stock, refresh, and clean. It is now time to put away these fruits, and I store my fruits not on my countertop no more, but I store them in the pantry. They still last and they don't get bad. They still taste the same, girl. It's just like you in Jamaica and there's no AC in the house. It's the same thing, because when the pantry door is closed, in there tend to be the warmer part of the house, but they hold up perfectly fine and they last for the week. I had some dishes that was in the dishwasher, just packing those out. I hate to actually do this. This is Janae's job. Whenever I wash my dishes, because I don't use my dishwasher for washing dishes or pots, I use my hand. I'll just leave them there to dry. And my big daughter, she's a sweetheart. She's the one who takes care of this. Okay? We're almost done with cleaning, restocking, refreshing while doing laundry. I had the salmon out. I know you guys been seeing me with a lot of salmons lately because I am slowly getting off chicken. I actually didn't buy no chicken, so we're not eating chicken right now. Hence why I'm doing a lot of vegetables and just fish. So we're back there. I don't want to say I'm fully there as yet, but for now, even talking about it is like I'm not in the mood to eat chicken. So we're doing salmon for dinner, and I'm just prepping that in the same time so I could clean up and have everything clean and ready and just be done in a time where I'm not rushing to cook dinner, you know. I like to season my meat. It just makes cooking easier than just, oh my lord, what am I gonna cook? I did not take out anything. I gotta wait until it's melted, all of that. So I'm just getting this out the way so we could clean up the kitchen and do what we have to do, and just later on cook dinner, eat, and go to bed. If you guys know me, you know that once I use my sink, I am going to clean the sink 3 times a day, 4 times, 5 times a day. If I have a spoon, a fork, I'm gonna wash it out, and I'm still gonna wash out my sink. That is just me, period, point blank. We're doing our floral arrangement. I don't know what these are called, but I just thought that they match the whole fall vibe, and I decided to go with these. We got these in Sam's. Also know that these are the baby breath, and I love to see when they're added into any floral arrangement. Sometimes I'll just do the baby breath by itself, but not today. Anyway, I thought that I should have cut these stems a little bit shorter so they are like fluffier on the vase, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, it's beautiful. Absolutely love it. And I left some of the green on it because it just looked beautiful. It's not naked, and it's gonna full out everything and just look like we don't need no more, you know. So I'm adding the baby breath now, and I'm trying to stick them on the sides, in the middle, and it's gonna be beautiful at the end. It's winding down time, guys. Done with dinner. Everybody's about to go to bed. Every time I'm done cleaning or finish cooking and the house is clean, I like to light my candles just to know that, hey, that's the vibe we're going into. It's time to slow down. It's almost bedtime. And I thank you guys for being here. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Always remember, God is love. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.